Hello friends, welcome to another video. In this video I want to analyze Apollo Microsystems. I have already made two videos on Apollo Microsystems. In case if you have not already watched, so you go and then watch it again. Uh, but there is a disclaimer. So I am not a SEBI registered analyst. This is a purely educational video. Don't take it as a buy sell recommendation. I will share my knowledge, and then if you like that knowledge, you can factor that knowledge into your understanding and then take a decision accordingly. So let's get into this analysis now. If you see Apollo Microsystems, I have already uh, indicated at this stage. That's I made one video on 4th September. Even when there is no red candle on the chart, I told that it's good time to lock in profits. And then next 2 days, if you see, our next 3 days, continuous three red candles, and those are not actually the small red candles. If you look at that, the amount of correction that has come into this is 15% is significant. So I have already indicated that this is going to happen and it is natural. Nothing to really worry about it or nothing really something strange is happening. Nothing like that. It is actually very natural because it has given a nice bull run and then some profit booking is there. And then I said lock in profits at that time. In another video or in that video, I also said now from there it's going to give a bounce, but don't wait for the bounce. Where I think in the second video I told when there is a crash, don't wait for the bounce. It will give bounce, but don't wait for the bounce. But better actually book the profits here itself. On I think on 8th September I made another video saying that book the profits there only. So maybe on 9th September, if anybody had booked the profits, they may have booked the profits or may not have. But nevertheless, what it is going to do now is the content of this video. So, as I had said, it is going to give that bounce and then come back. So now at least the evidence is the past 2 days of price action says the bounce is coming. So it will bounce till here and then it will come down. Till what the bounce will come, we do not know. That we won't be able to say. But the immediate resistance is 8th Monday, that is 8th September top, that is this level. 303 is its resistance. It's very unlikely that the price actually crosses this level 303. Even before that only it will actually come down. So till what point it will come down? It will come till 252, which is a good support. And then if it comes further, if that level is broken, then the next level of support is at 215. So the correction that has started here could end up at 250 or can go till 260. We can't say at this point, okay, it will go till 216 or it will go till only 250. That we can't say. So most likely it will come 250. Definitely, that's my more probable reading. And that 216 is also possible. That cannot be ruled out. But in any case, it will give that bounce and then come down. So it's good idea to book profits in this bounce only, either today or tomorrow. Whenever I think in that bounce only, we do not know how long that bounce also will last. Maybe today only might be the last day or it can be even tomorrow, but nevertheless that bounce is there and then it is good idea to log the profits in case if you have not logged the profits here. So it's a good time to log the profits here. If not, my most probable reading is it will actually go down till here until here. That is a big, that is not a bearish move, but that's a profit booking. That's just a profit booking. So after that, it can actually go up again, but that will take some time. So that means the momentum in the stock is now lost. So now it's a consolidation phase. It will consolidate for some time here like that, and then again it will take a bounce. That consolidation period could be any longer. We do not know, but nevertheless, the momentum in the stock is over, and consolidation is happening now. The distribution, and then slowly it will take some time before you see the momentum again. But in terms of booking the profits, I think it's good time to book the profits. That's the whole analysis that I have. If you like this analysis, subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting many more videos and share it with your family. and friends. So until next video, we'll meet you in next video.